Hello, my name is Deja Purnell, and my speech is on pros and cons of vaccinating children. I find this topic very good to talk about because some parents feel pressured into vaccinating their kids at such a young age. And then a lot of parents always talk about parents who don't vaccinate their kids and how it causes their kids to get sick. So vaccines nowadays can cause autism, diabetes, and etc. in kids. Some parents feel pressured into vaccinating their kids when they are still young. They feel pressured into doing it because their kids wouldn't be able to start school without getting certain ones. They won't let kids without getting their shot start school because they do not want to put other kids at risk of catching something. It is up to the parents if they want to or not, but they should also take in consideration what might happen if they don't and their kids end up badly ill. Doctors should do a lot more explaining to the parents to be able to make them feel more comfortable in making their decision. Vaccinating children can save children's lives and protect future generations. However, this can also cause fatal side effects and contain harmful ingredients. The great thing about getting vaccinated because it can save your child's life and protect future generations. The vaccines help prevent diseases soon. Through vaccination, children can develop immunity without suffering from the actual disease that causes prevention, and that comes from the website Pros and Cons. Getting the shots can also help other kids that aren't able to get them because some kids might have medical issues that make them not able to get vaccinated. If you don't get them vaccinated, then they might get exposed to disease and spread it to other kids, which can cause some kids to get badly ill or even die from the diseases that they catch. It can help save future generations because a lot of vaccines eliminated most of the diseases that cause harm to people a while ago. One statistic is that the CDC estimates that vaccines will prevent more than 21 million hospitalizations and 732,000 deaths among children born in the last 20 years, and that comes from the website CDC, which is Center for Disease Control. A lot of parents are scared to give their kids the shots because it can cause fatal side effects if given to them. You can have an allergic reaction to the medicine that goes into you. Some of the bad vaccines are DTaP and MMR that can cause seizures and brain damage. The National Vaccine Information Center says that vaccines may be linked to learning disabilities, asthma, autism, diabetes, chronic inflammation, and that comes from the website Disease Control and Prevention. A lot of kids get hospitalized because of the parents deciding to get them vaccinated. Having side effects and having to go to the hospital will not just put a strain on the child, but also the parent because they lose time from work. We are putting harmful ingredients inside our kids from these vaccines. And a lot of doctors don't tell us about what we're giving to our child. They just say that it helps our child. There are a lot of harmful ingredients like thimerosal and aluminum that can cause diseases like autism and neurological harm. There are a lot of parents that don't know what ingredients are in these shots that they are giving their child. The doctor does not always explain to you about what goes into the child's body that can cause more harm than getting sick. If they know what was going into their kid's body, then the kids probably would not be getting the shots. I feel like a lot of parents should be notified before giving their kids shots because it can cause a lot of harm, but it can also cause good too because some kids aren't able to get them. So if other kids get vaccinated, then hopefully the other kids won't get sick. But a lot of parents feel like they need to vaccinate their kids because they're getting pressured into it by their peers or by the hospital that they're giving birth at. But I feel like a lot of parents should be more educated on this subject because other parents might bash them about what they decide to do with their kid. Thank you and have a great day.